In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know the owner of a Google Sheet. This simple and straightforward process will only take a few moments, and it's a great way to manage your documents and who owns them. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just want to keep track of your files, this information can be quite handy. Let's begin by opening the Google Sheet you wish to inquire about. Once you've located your document, look towards the top left corner. You'll see a menu bar, and the first option you'll notice there is File. Click on File to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains a variety of options related to your document, such as sharing settings, download formats, and more. It's a central hub for managing your document in many ways. Next, within this drop-down menu, you'll want to scroll down to find an option labeled Details. Clicking on Details will open another window or sidebar. This new panel is called Document Details, which, as the name suggests, contains various details about your document. Now, within this Document Details panel, you'll see several pieces of information related to your Google Sheet. Most importantly for our purposes, you'll find the Owner section, which will explicitly list the owner of the document. This is typically the person who initially created the Google Sheet. Knowing who the owner is can be especially useful if you need to contact them for permission or adjustments to the file, or to transfer ownership if necessary. Also, if you're working in a shared drive or in a collaborative workspace, understanding ownership can aid in responsibility and accountability distribution. And there you have it. The owner information is presented clearly, along with other useful tidbits, such as the creation date, the last time it was modified, and the current viewer's name. This can be especially useful when you're handling multiple documents and need to keep track of changes and attributions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to find out the owner of a Google Sheet. With these easy and quick steps, you can manage your documents more effectively and ensure smooth teamwork in collaborative environments. Don't hesitate to explore other options within the Document Details section. Familiarizing yourself with the tools available here will enhance your workflow and document management. Hopefully, you've found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other videos in our series for more tips and tricks on using Google Workspace tools efficiently. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.